Let's talk about Funded Trading Plus, where you can get one-step evaluation, where you can get two-step evaluation, and also instant funding account. It's more like a one-stop shop for every trader who is looking to become a funded trader. And in this video, we're going to deep dive into the details of all of their funding models, what benefits you can get if you decide to go with Funded Trading Plus. Just like always, we have added the website link of Funded Trading Plus in the description. You can check them out. And we have also added a 10% discount code for you. And if you haven't joined our free Telegram group where you can ask any questions regarding prop firms, do that from the link in description. Now let's deep dive into today's video and see the details, different funding models offered by Funded Trading Plus. That's the main page of fundedtradingplus.com, the most trusted firm in the industry. Why they say this, we will show you in some time. Trade simulated funds. We pay out real funds in as little as 1 day. The reason why they are saying that they are the most trusted firm in the industry, if we look at their Trustpilot rating, they have 1,862 reviews at the time when we are recording this video with an overall rating of 4.9. Less than 1% of the traders ever gave them 1-star rating. And over 93% of the traders gave 5-star rating to Funded Trading Plus. That's incredible. And so far, out of all the firms that we have reviewed on our platform, Funded Trading Plus has the highest ever rating on Trustpilot. Now coming back, they are giving you 3 different funding models: one-phase, two-phase, and instant funding model. Let's start with their one-phase funding model. It's called Experienced. You can choose the account starting from $12,500 all the way up to $200,000. As the name suggests, it is just a single phase evaluation where you get unlimited time to complete the 10% profit target objective. And your first profit split, it is going to be 80% after you start earning profits on the funded account. It will be increased to 90% once you make 20% overall profits and you apply for the scale up. And it will be increased to 100% profit split to you once you make overall 30% profits on your account and you are eligible for the scale up. As I said, as we discussed, profit target for phase 1 is 10%. There is no minimum trading days requirement and they give you challenge leverage of 1:30. Now the maximum overall drawdown that you get, it is 6% in their one phase evaluation. Keep one thing in mind, this is a relative drawdown, not an absolute drawdown. And their daily drawdown limit on the one phase evaluation is 4% for the phase 1 and 4% also for the funded trading account. And scaling plan, it works in a way that after every time that you hit 10% overall profit, you can ask them to scale up your account and they will double your account every time when you will make 10%. You just have to leave that 10% profit in your account. That means you should not be requesting your payout. If you decide to request for a payout, that's up to you. But you have to keep that 10% profit made on your account in the account so they can double your account after every 10%. And first profit split, it is going to be after 0 days. That means as soon as you get your funded account, you make some profits, you can request for your withdrawal. However, they do have a minimum withdrawal amount, which is going to be $50. They allow you to use expert advisors. There is no lot size limit. And they also allow you to hold your trade over the weekend. And stop loss, it is not required. The fee that they charge, it is going to be refunded once you make 10% profit. Because they have 0-day withdrawal, that means your first profit split can be done on the same day, then it's gonna be weekly. So that's why they give you the refund after you make total 10%. Now their $12,500 account is gonna cost you $119. Their $25,000 account is gonna cost you $199. Their $50,000 account is gonna cost you $349. Their $100,000 one-phase evaluation account will cost you $499. And their $200,000 one-phase evaluation account will cost you $949. That's before the discount that we are offering. You can check that out from the link in description and also the discount code is in the description. Now looking at their two-phase evaluation, one is premium and the other is advanced. Let's first see the difference between both. In the advanced two-phase evaluation, your daily drawdown is 5% and your overall drawdown is 10%. However, you are eligible for the scale up after every 20% profit made on your account. And you are not allowed to hold your trades over the weekend in the advanced type program of the two-phase evaluation. When we choose premium, Your overall drawdown is going to be 8%. Your daily drawdown is going to be 4%. Scaling up plan is same after every 10%. Withdrawal criteria is going to be 7 days, but in advance it is going to be after 0 days. That means you can request your withdrawal in the first day of you trading the funded account. And in the premium, you're allowed to hold your trades over the weekend. Now, you get unlimited time for you to hit the 8% profit target objective of phase 1 and 5% profit target objective in phase 2. No minimum trading days requirement in both. This is in the premium. The profit target of 8% is in premium account type. If you choose advanced, because you're getting 10% overall drawdown, so you are also required to make 10% in phase 1 of the evaluation. In both of them, minimum trading days requirement is none. Challenge leverage is same. Scale up plan we have discussed earlier. Minimum withdrawal amount is $50. EAs are allowed in both of the account types, and stop loss is not required only in the premium account type. In the advanced account type, stop loss is required. Now let's look at the pricing for each of the accounts of two-phase evaluation funding model. Now both the account types, they have different prices. So $25,000 account of premium account type of the two-phase evaluation funding model is going to cost you $247. The $50,000 premium account of the two-phase evaluation is going to cost you $397. The $100,000 premium account type of the two-phase evaluation is going to cost you $547. And the $200,000 premium account of two-phase evaluation is going to cost you $1,097. Looking at the advanced account types, $25,000 account is cheaper. It is going to cost you $199. $50,000 account is also cheaper. It is going to cost you $349. $100,000 account is also cheaper in the advanced type of the two-phase evaluation, and it is going to cost you $499. And the $200,000 account is again cheaper, and it is going to cost you $949. Now lastly, they have instant funding model, which they call the master trader, where you just pay them once and they give you the account starting from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000 depending on which fund you select. There is no maximum trading days because you're getting the live funds from your day one. Profit split is 80% to you and fund will keep 20% to them. Again, no profit target as you're gonna get the funded account from the day one. No minimum trading days requirement. Challenge leverage, it is going to be 1:30. Overall drawdown limit, and that's relative drawdown, is 6%, and their daily drawdown is also 6%, which is very incredible. And you can scale your account, which is going to be doubling your account after every 10%, but you will have to keep that 10% profit in the account. And just like all other accounts, your first profit spread is going to be on the same day. After that, it's going to be weekly. Withdrawal amount is going to be at least $50. EAs are allowed, no lot size restriction. However, you're not allowed to hold your trades over the weekend. And they do not require you to put any stop loss. It's up to you how you want to trade. Now, $5,000 account, it's going to cost you $225. But you will be getting a 6% overall drawdown in the $5,000 account, which means $300 drawdown after spending $225. The $10,000 account is going to cost you $450 with an overall drawdown of $600. The $25,000 account will cost you $1,125 with an overall 6% drawdown, which is going to be $1,500 in the drawdown amount. $50,000 instant funding account will cost you $2,250. That's going to come with $3,000 overall drawdown, which is 6%. And the $100,000 account is going to cost you $4,500. That's going to come with $6,000 drawdown. That's 6%. So definitely funded trading is a very good option for the traders who are looking to start trading with a firm that's giving every single option out there. One-phase evaluation offer, two-phase evaluation funding model, and also instant funding account. So let us know in the comment section what is your opinion on Funded Trading Plus, and if you haven't joined our free Telegram group, do that from the link in description, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.